I'm going to show you how to take frozen chicken straight from the freezer and bake it into an amazing one-dish weeknight meal. Frozen chicken that was straight from the freezer into the oven. Along with the baked chicken, I'm making a mushroom marsala rice. So much flavor in one pan. Let me walk you through how this all comes together. I'm starting with 2 cups of jasmine rice. I'm using the brown version because it has a heartier texture. I saute the rice in olive oil and butter until it turns a nice golden brown. Then I season it with onion and garlic powder and a little turmeric for color. I slice some red onion. It's easier to pick out if you've got picky eaters, and it adds another layer of flavor to your rice. Then I chop up some mushrooms. I remove the stems and add them to the pan with a pinch of salt. Next, I squeeze in half a lemon. And because this is Marsala rice, I'm adding 1 cup of Marsala wine. Use whatever herbs you like. I had dried herbs on hand, but fresh parsley, thyme, or rosemary would be great too. I also add smoked paprika because I like the depth it gives. I grease my baking dish so the rice doesn't stick. Spread the rice mixture out and then place the frozen chicken right on top. I season the chicken with the same spices I used earlier and brush it with a little olive oil. This will help the skin bake up nicely. My oven is preheated to 325 degrees. I pour in 3 cups of chicken stock, or 4 cups if you're skipping the Marsala wine. Then I cover the dish with foil and bake it for 2 hours. After that, I remove the foil and bake it for 1 more hour. And if you're like me and not quite ready to eat, you can turn the oven off and let it sit warm until you're ready. It is ready for dinner time. I found that this was a very easy process. Dark meat is always going to be more forgiving compared to like a chicken breast. Oh, it's very tender. I think the important part about chicken itself is that it's tender, moist. I don't have time to defrost this chicken. What can I do with the frozen chicken? The skin is going to have more of that flavoring. Putting the frozen chicken on that brown jasmine rice, it would infuse some of those flavors into the chicken. Now, the thing I'm really waiting for is this rice. That's where the flavor is. That's very good. Very earthy. That's where you have all the flavor though, is with your mushrooms, and it's brought in all that flavor. Very happy with that rice, especially since I don't like brown rice. Yeah, this is great. What an easy meal this was. It'd be a great side dish for something else. So if you don't go through all that rice, it's okay. It's just, you kind of did your meal prepping already, and you can use it for a different meal. So if you have like a pot roast, which, hint, hint, I will be making a special recipe for my pot roast. And this would go very nicely with it. 6 out of 10. I don't know if that's a good review or not. The rice is definitely a 7. I don't give very high scores, but this is good. So don't discourage about my scoring system. I hope you tell me what your scores are. How would you score this dish? Thanks for watching. I appreciate you.